Today is Thursday. It's my day to cook. I'm gonna make the same meal I made last time with you, I think. It's the beans. They were so good. The green beans, oh my gosh, they were so good in the oven, with the chicken in the oven and the chips in the oven. And then I'm gonna make a apple pastry on the side. I'm gonna show you. Hopefully it turns out great. But I wanted to show you, yesterday I picked up some floss. I hope this brand is good because usually I get, usually my mom gets the Discount brand, the one in the blue packet, and that one's like more expensive than this, by like 15 bucks or something. So I picked up this one. It's got 100. That one only had 90. Hopefully this works. Last time I picked up this one. Don't like it. I'm not gonna use that. It's terrible for me. So yeah, definitely do not like that one. So I'm hoping this one is really good. And then I got some new books. I don't know if I showed you this, but I picked up It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. I've heard terrible things that are great because everyone was sobbing, but it was a beautiful book apparently, so I'm excited to try that out. This is my third Coho book. I read All Your Perfects and Ugly Love, and both of them were like 3.5 to 4 stars out of 5. I didn't really enjoy both of them as much as everyone was hyping them up. So this one I'm quite scared because there's a lot of hype around this book. So I'm excited to see what that's about. And then I also picked up The Spanish Love Deception because I wanted to read this book since last year, since Pauline raved about it, but I didn't want to read it on my phone. I wanted to have like a physical copy. I just thought the book was cute and I wanted to pick it up. So I'm excited to read this as well. But before I get into any of those, I'm gonna go back to my Atomic Habits book. So I put this book up in, I want to say 2018 or 2019, and I read like the first chapter of it or something, and then I stopped reading it. I have no idea why I stopped reading it, but I definitely want to get back to it. So I'm gonna start from scratch and read it again and finish it this time, hopefully, because I'm not a quitter. I'm gonna finish the book. So this is my next read. My current read actually, because I just finished a book yesterday. So this is my current read. I am going to get into this and hopefully learn some valuable things from this. So yeah, that's on the agenda. And then in the last video, in the last vlog, I showed you we went to Value & Co. and I picked up some of those air freshener things that looked like this, and you saw me grab like a couple of boxes. That's because this smells so amazing, you guys. So this is what it looks like. This is the brand. If you have a Value & Co. near you, go pick it up and just try it, you guys. So my mom bought one like a couple of weeks ago and she forgot to put it out, so she put it out like 2 weeks ago. And when I walked into the bathroom, I was like, what on earth? It smells like, you know, the ice cream Tornado, the purple one. I love Tornado. I was always like a water ice lolly kind of girl. I was never like into like Magnums and all that stuff. Like the water ice lollies were like the best. So I was a Tornado person, and this smells exactly like Tornado. And even the stick, you know, at the end of the ice cream you have the stick and you don't really just like throw it away. You lick the stick a little bit and then you get that like woody taste. This smells like all of that in one. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells incredible. And every time I go into the bathroom I literally sniff it. So we went and I picked up some for my room. So I have one in my car, I have one in my shoe closet, I have one in my closet, I have one on my pedestal right over there. So it's the first thing I smell when I wake up in the morning. It literally smells amazing. It's so delicious and so yummy, and I will definitely be buying more. They're like 30 bucks for one of these, and then the refills, which is the little thing that slips in there, is like 20 bucks. So that price difference doesn't really make sense for me, but I will definitely be repurchasing because this smells incredible. Like if you had the ice cream, like the ice cream, the stick ice cream is called Mango Bango. That is what this is. That is what this, I'll put a picture here if I can find it, but this is Mango Bango encapsulated. Someone did the damn things and they figured it out for us. So that smells amazing. I'm telling you, if you can pick it up, pick it up. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. And then what else? And then tonight I said I was gonna make the puff pastry apple things. So I saw a video a couple of weeks ago about someone who was posting, they said that they love the little apple thing, puff thing that you get from McDonald's. I've never had it before. I'm not really a fan of like fruits with desserts. It was never my thing, so I never really picked it up. I've never had it, but I saw them recreate something similar with puff pastry, and so I want to give it a shot. So I'm really excited to try that today. I should probably go and get started, but we're gonna go to Leroy Merlin first. We're gonna go to Impala. I'm gonna pop into Westpac and At Home, and then I'm gonna pop into Leroy Merlin because I'm looking for a makeup brush holder. Because the one that I have now is a vase that I didn't end up using, and it's just too rough around the edges. Like I need something with a smooth finish because this one is kind of scratchy. It's got that cement look with a copper panel at the bottom. It's like really pretty. I've vlogged it before, but it's just too rough for this space, especially if I'm going to be getting new devices soon. I don't want anything to like scratch or anything like that, so I'm gonna need to make it more practical. I also changed from the 2 containers of makeup brushes to 1 because I typically reach for both of them. I never reach for just one of the 2, and so I put them all in just one thing. So I'm looking for something that's gonna hold all my brushes. I saw something at Mr. Price Home. It had dividers in it even, which I thought was perfect, but it had that like farmhouse rustic look, and that's not really the look that I've got going in here. But if I don't find anything that I like better than that, I might just go back to that because that just practically makes more sense. It even has like a little carrier thing that goes across, so that makes a lot of sense for this space. But I don't know, I don't really like how it looks. So yeah, that's the update on that. Lastly, I'm going to update you on the book journal. I made some headway, like a lot of headway. So I've stuck down all the pictures in that video. So I didn't show you the sticking parts, I just showed you the cutting out parts. So but that same day we cut out and we stuck them all in, so that I just had to fill in the pages like with the prompts and stuff. So all of them are in here and they all have prompts like let me show you. So they all have the title, author, rating, spice, thoughts. All the pages have that. This one was just like a tester. I wanted to see if I wanted more space for my thoughts, but no, did not want that. So I stuck with this layout. So title, author, rating, spice, thoughts. And all of the pages have the prompts. I just have to take the time to fill them in. But I love that you can flip through the book and see all the covers. And then also with the stars, I picked up these mini stars from CNA because I can't draw a star to save my life. Well, I can, but they never all looked symmetrical, and I just like the look of, you know, cohesion. For the spice, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I really can't draw a pepper and I can't draw a flame, so I'm gonna try and figure that one out. But for now, I'm drawing like really messed up stuff. But yeah, that is my little life update. We really should be getting going, so I think we're gonna hop out quickly. It's really gray and gloomy outside. Love this weather. I love this weather where it doesn't rain like it isn't right now. So yeah, we're gonna go quickly to Impala. Gonna get some broccoli, some vegetables, and then I'm gonna look for my makeup brush holder, and then we're gonna come home so I can get started on dinner. But yeah, that's my little update. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so we just got back from Woolworths and Impala, and I'm going to show you everything that we got. So at Impala, we got 3 packets of corn, 2 packs of broccoli, 2 packets of bananas, a packet of avocados, and some green beans. And then we also got those 2 boxes of those grapes. They are amazing, the best grapes I've ever had. Love those. So we got 2 boxes of them. They were actually almost finished. And then at Woolworths, we got a packet of these. This is just bone marrow and some more bone marrow. And then a packet of potatoes. 2 of these packs of bacon. They were on promotion to 400. And then some cheese onion rings. Those are my favorite. So this is everything that we got. And I have to start cooking now. So let's cook.
What can I do? You're so loving and gentle to the core. What can I do when you fill me with happiness and much more? What can I do? You're so stunning, I just can't look away. What can I do? I should know by now, you make my day. Never more will dreams expire. Keep it burning, baby, got this fire on my head. And don't dare to let go. Cause each day for you, my love will grow. When you're not here, my heart is screaming out your name. Feels like a heart attack and you can fix the pain. Without you, the same again. It's you running through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. I'll never be the same. Your love runs through my veins. Put your hands gently on my face. What can I do if there's tears? You kiss them all away. What can I do? There's no way I could ever walk away. What can I do? I should know by now, you make my day. Never more will dreams expire. Keep it burning, baby, got this fire on my head. And don't dare to let go. Cause each day for you, my love will grow. When you're not here, my heart is screaming out your name. Feels like a heart attack and you can fix the pain. Without you, I will never be the same again. It's you running through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. Oh, oh, your love runs through my veins. I'll never be the same. Hey, your love runs through my veins. Yeah, your love runs through my veins.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final product. So I made beef stew with brown basmati rice and gem squash.